I'm going to show you how to make money online for students, and this actually works for everybody. You don't need to just be a student for this, and I'm going to show you some results from this method. You're not going to need to show your face for this particular method to make money online if you're a student, and this is a low effort method for you to make some extra cash while you're a student. Or not, you don't have to be a student to do this. More importantly, this works worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. You could be anywhere as long as you're a student, or in fact, as long as you're anybody, you could try this method. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. We're not going to miss any steps. So let's jump into this tutorial and I'll show you how to make money online for students as a student, or even if you're not a student, you could try this too. All right, guys, so this method is called a middleman strategy, and this is one of the methods that I actually started when I started working online. Essentially, what we're going to be doing is getting a service from somebody else, and we're going to provide that service to another person for a profit, okay? And we are the person in the middle right here. This is a very simple way to make money online. It's a very simple transaction. And if you actually follow this video all the way to the end and you understand this, you can go and use this as a side hustle or something, or even turn it into a full-time income. People have turned this stuff into a full-time income, and I'm going to show you that on this video. So let's get started and we'll jump into exactly how you can make money with this. But more importantly, I try to find you guys the best simple ways to make money online. And I always feel like being a middleman is a pretty solid way to make money because we don't really have to create anything or do too much work to get this going. All right, now you might be wondering who this is or why am I on this person's Facebook page. I was actually on Facebook today and a post showed up from this guy and it reminded me about what I'm about to show you. So if we go down here and we click onto this right here, so this is the guy's results from the method that I'm about to show you. Now I actually have to blank out results now because we're not really supposed to show them on YouTube for some reason. I keep getting in trouble. So what I've done is I've blanked them out, but this guy has made a considerable amount with this specific method, and I'm going to show you how. Now remember guys, no income claims. This stuff takes time and you have to put in work, but it could potentially make you money. So let's get started and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this guy here actually owns a website, a service website, and I'll show you that website right here. This is the website that I'm going to show you how you can make money. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you first how to sign up to this specific website because this is really important. There's a few things that you need to follow to actually get started. What you want to first do is sign up to this website, put your name, your email, your username, that could be anything, but try and make it a little bit brandable, and then a password. And then you want to click, you can either do buying, selling, or buying and selling. I would recommend just doing buying and selling because you might want to buy something from this website as well. And then what you do is you go ahead and you register, or if you already have an account, you can simply log in. Now, these guys have a forum and a Facebook group if you want to join into their community and get tips and tricks on how you can actually make money with this website. So there's all of these like topics here, etc. It's quite a popular site, and there is a lot of people making income from this. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to go to the website here, which is called Legit. And basically, I'll take you through it and then I'll show you how you can actually earn money from this specific website. Number one is they have courses. So if you have a course that you want to sell, you can sell courses on this platform, although this is not the method we're going to be using in this video. What we want to do is we want to go to Marketplace. And what we want to do is we want to go to the search engine optimization section. And the reason why we want to do this is because this is their most popular category where most of the people are making their income. Now, you can also use other ones like writing, programming, graphic design. Like if we go to graphic design, for example, there are people making money with this specific niche. Like this guy has 8,000 reviews, 800, 900, 161. So we know that people are actually buying these specific services. But the reason why I want to do SEO is because I'll show you why in a second. But if we go to backlinks, for example, you'll see that these specific people are selling backlink packages. Or we can go to like just SEO in general, and there should be some SEO things as well that we can go look at. So 250 reviews, 500 reviews, 300 reviews, 3,000 reviews. So we 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. So we know that these guys are actually making money. So if we just click on this one, for example, 10,000 do follow backlinks. So you don't really need to know what backlinks are or what they do, because we are going to be a middleman. We're going to be selling these services. So if we click on this real quick, what this is this will show us basically what this is about. We can go through, sorry, my internet's quite slow right now. So we can go through here and we can basically see all of this stuff right here, okay? So how do we actually go ahead and make money from this? And this is a seller. We are going to actually sell the same thing, and we're going to put on a markup, a profit markup. So how do we actually do that? You want to go to a website. So I'm just going to go back here, and let's just assume that you have your account ready to go. You've set it all up and you're ready to sell. So first of all, before we actually do that, let me just log into my account here, and I'll show you a few things that you have to do to get started. So before you get started, once you're signed in, you want to go up to here and you want to just do a few things, right? So this is going to be your dashboard where you're going to have your money that comes in and all of that sort of stuff. But you also want to go to your profile, because you have to do a couple of things, right? If we go to create a new service, it's going to actually ask us to do a few things first. What we have to do is you want to go ahead and upload your profile photo. You can go and create one with ChatGPT if you like. Verify your account. I've just started a new channel for this tutorial. I actually have one. Put in your address, description, and withdrawal account details. If you go to withdrawal account details right here, you can use, you can get paid by PayPal or a Pioneer account, okay? You should be able to get either one of these. Like, these are very, very common. Once you set all of that up, you can start selling on this website. It's super easy to do. All right, guys, I forgot my camera was off, but we're back now. So this is where we actually start to use the middleman strategy. So you're going to be the one in the middle right here, and you're going to be the one making the money, or making a cut, making a profit from this particular method. And this person's going to make some money as well. And then this person is going to be the one purchasing from you. So let's talk about how to actually get started doing this so you can make money with this method. So what we want to do is, this guy owns that particular platform, and we want to go ahead and sell services on here for a profit. So what we do is, you've already set up your account. You should be ready to go, ready to start selling things. I think I might have just got approved. I'm not sure. But what we want to do is, we want to now go and find services. Now, like I said, search engine optimization gigs are the most popular on this website. You can do other ones if you want, but these are the most popular. So you want to go to a website called SEOclerks.com. Okay, that's SEOclerks.com. On this website, we can actually find specific services in the search engine optimization niche where we can actually resell these specific services. So let me explain. I'm going to go to the link building here. And as you can see, so these specific people will do link building for us. Okay, so what that means is, if we go to here, it says down here, they will do 10 high traffic niche edit links. We can look at that. You want to find something where you could resell for a good price here. So let's do a high quality local citations. I think we can do that if we put in citations here. Yep, so here we go. I will do 80 local citations for $5. So we could essentially purchase this for $5, and we can resell this on this website for $25 or even $20. And we're literally making 3 times the amount. 3 times the amount. And you can see this person has 1,600 reviews. So we know that they're making money. We know that they are selling this, because we can literally see this right here. They are selling this. They have 1,640 reviews, right? Let's just say you make $20 per sale, and we go 20 times 1,640 is that much, which is crazy. You can do the math yourself, just off this service alone. Okay, so all you do is you go to here, you would purchase this specific product. So we'll say this one right here, 80 citations. We would purchase this for $5. Then we would go ahead and we would take the person's information that purchases our gig from Legit. We would send it over. We would give it to this person right here, and then they would do it, and it would take 2 days. And then we collect the profit in the middle, right? So we buy it off this guy for $5, and then we sell it to this person for, let's say, 20. We'll go a little bit lower. We keep 15. We make $15 each time. That's a bit big, but we make $15 each time someone purchases. It's a very basic, simple business model that works extremely well. So all we do is we can take this right here and we can go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to say this. I'm going to post this in here, and I'm going to say this. I'm going to do a similar gig to this where I sell 80 citations. Can you please give me a description for my listing? And this is what I'm doing. It's very similar to this link here. And we're going to let ChatGPT create our content for us. We'll see what it does. It might not be very good. Sometimes not very good. But basically, this is all you do, guys. It's actually very simple to understand. They actually have 2,261 reviews. That's nuts. So there you go. It's gone ahead and created a very simple, basic description that we can go ahead and use, and we can go ahead and sell that service. So there we go. Here's this one's got 1,600 reviews, 103 reviews, 180 reviews, 173. But you can see that the citations is their most popular gig. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. And if you go back here, there's also art and design. There's literally so many things that are much cheaper that you can do. So you can buy this for $10. You could sell it on that website for $20. But most of it is going to be link building and SEO stuff. So blog comments, Web 2.0, PBNs is another good one. Like you could go ahead and do build 250, do follow, comment backlinks. This stuff actually still works today. We could go and buy this for $3. We could sell it for 20. We could sell it for 10. We could sell it for anything. Let's go ahead and do, let's go and put comments in here, blog comments, and see what people are selling. See what they're selling for. $18, $6, $10, $6, $10. You're buying them for $3. You can double your money. All right, guys, this is a great way to make money online. I just wanted to show you this. All you need to do is simply go and do a similar listing to these guys. Go and use SEOclerks.com to go and buy the service, resell it on legit.com. It's very simple. Just do something like this. Very, very easy. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.